Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. Today I'm making chicken satays. I make my own sauce because I find it works out cheaper than buying a jar or a packet of sauce myself. So I thought I'd show you my recipe if you're interested, because I've had a couple of people ask me. I did a video ages ago because I've got a playlist of £1 or less meals, so I just thought I'd show you it in a little bit more detail than a 1 minute short. So I recommend using a tallish bowl because when you're mixing it just goes everywhere, so you need like a tallish bowl to mix it. And what I've used is 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. It can be smooth or crunchy depending on your preference, so that's why I like to buy peanut butter myself rather than a sauce, and that's £1. So you can make lots and lots and lots of it because you've got the jar there. To the peanut butter I add a big slosh of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of curry powder. It can be any curry powder you like. I get this in Aldi or Asda. It's about 70p. I get a medium curry rather than a really hot one, but it's up to you how hot you like your curry. You could use fresh garlic or dried. I prefer to use dried because my hands can't cope with fresh ones. I'm fed up with the faff, so I tend to use dried, and that's about 2 tablespoons, but I like extra garlic because I find as you're older you lose your sense of taste, so I throw lashings of garlic in. A big slosh of olive oil and about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So mix it all well in the bowl. Optionally, you could add some crushed chilies or fresh chilies for heat. I'm cooking these on the skewers today, but if I was just cooking them in the dish without the skewers, I would add a tin of coconut milk. These are around 70 to 90p a tin, and some sliced up pepper, preferably red, so it gives it a bit of colour, a bit of interest, but any pepper will do, green, yellow, orange, whatever your preference is. So the chilli, the coconut milk and the pepper are optional. The coconut milk gives it a more smooth flavour, but I like the heat and the peanutty taste, so I tend to use it like this without the coconut milk. But as I said, if I was cooking it in the dish without the skewers, I would definitely use the coconut milk and serve it on a bed of boiled rice. So yeah, so just slop it all over. For depth of flavour, so you know it tastes more into the chicken, you could leave it in the fridge for an hour, but these are going straight in the oven. I don't find it really matters either way. You can add more soy sauce and more oil and lemon juice if you want it to be a bit more runny, the sauce, but we like it all nice and thick and tasty anyway. So the soy sauce gives it a salty flavour, so you don't need to add salt or pepper, because as we all know, salt is bad for you. So I cook these for about 30 to 40 minutes depending on if your oven's got a fan or not, around gas 7, probably 7, or 200 degrees if you've got an electric oven, depending on the fan or not. Sometimes if it's getting too dark I will turn them over, but you find as it's cooking all the juices of the sauce and the chicken go to the bottom of the dish, and you can baste the chicken satays again when you flip them over. So if you are gonna flip it over, I will probably do about 20 minutes one side, then turn them over and do about 20 minutes on the other side in the oven. Or if you prefer, you can grill them. I just like to leave them in the oven because it's just like I don't want to stand there and supervise them like the children. So please like, share and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments below, as this helps the channel a lot. Or if you don't want to write a comment, a little thumbs up or a smiley face would be fantastic. And I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.